live green juicing session. We're going to have a water-based green juice, and we're going to have a plant milk-based green juice, and it's going to be fabulous. We have an assortment of greens, which I'm going to share with you what each one is and some of the benefits of the green juice. Green juice is a wonderful way to start your day. In place of coffee, in place of breakfast, it's nourishing, it's hydrating, it will nourish your cells, it will wake up your brain. So let's get started with our green juice session. So we're going to start with a base of 2 glasses of water, and in this case we're using distilled water. You can also use spring water. It's very important that you have a purified source of water because all of the elements of the green juice are designed to enhance your well-being and your health. So 2 cups. Next, I like to add a source of protein, and in this case we're doing chia seeds. Chia seeds are a wonderful filler. They are an excellent source of protein. Often chia seeds are added to green juices because they add an extra bulk, and chia seeds are wonderful because they absorb water, and so they're even more they are more filling than, say, flax seeds, but flax seeds are also a wonderful alternative. You can use hemp seeds. Today we're using chia seeds. You can measure out about a tablespoon. We're not measuring directly here, so that's our sample of chia seeds. Next, we're going to add ginger. Ginger is my favorite. I love ginger. Ginger is a natural antibiotic. It is a wonderful thing. You can eat ginger every single day. You can put it in your dishes. You can have it raw. You can drink tea. Ginger. It's also very spicy, so just keep in mind that if you're not used to a little kick, ginger is going to add some kick to your green juice. We're going to add a little kick of vitamin C. We have some limes here, and we're going to squeeze the limes into the water. Limes are interesting. They actually soften the taste of the drink, so we're going to do a whole lime. And this is the first half. Now we have the second half of the lime. Another element I like to add is cucumber. Cucumber is super hydrating. It's wonderful to snack on. It's wonderful to have in your green juice, and it adds a softer element. So when you have elements like ginger, or you have watercress, which we're going to add in a moment. Watercress is also very spicy, so the cucumber takes a little bit of the edge off. So we're going to put in some cucumber here, and next we're going to get the greens. So we have Swiss chard, which is a wonderful blood purifying, very fortifying green. We have red Swiss chard with the stems. Some people don't like to put the stems in. I actually don't mind them. I find them to be quite nourishing and fortifying. So you can feel free to put them in or leave them out. That's up to you. So we're going to add Swiss chard and a little bit more. You never have too much. Next, we're going to put in a green that I really, really love, dandelion. Dandelion helps to detoxify your liver. It helps to purify your blood. Dandelion is a powerhouse. The reason why it helps to detoxify your liver is because it stimulates your liver to produce bile because it's bitter. And really, we need to have more bitter elements in our diet, so dandelion is a great way. You can juice it, you can have it in a salad, you can make dandelion tea, dandelion. Wonderful. And last but not least, we're going to add, we're going to have watercress. Watercress is it's like a little known powerhouse secret. Watercress will knock your socks off. If you want a snack, if you want something to just revive you right away, watercress is your thing. So we're going to add this to already the powerhouses of Swiss chard, dandelion, watercress. As I said, watercress is quite spicy. So along with the ginger, you're going to have a kick in this drink. But it's okay. We're getting, the day started. And for a little sweetness, we're going to have Bosch pears. So we have de-seeded them, so we can add them into the drink. Okay, now it's time to put the drink together into the juicer and see how it turns out. Before we go to assembling that, we're going to do the plant milk-based one. Now this is coconut almond milk. Some people can't drink almond milk. You can drink coconut milk. You can use rice milk. You can use cashew milk. If almond milk is not your thing, there's all kinds of varieties. You can use hemp milk. And it is a way to make the smoothie creamy. So this is a nice alternative. Some people like their base to be less creamy, so we have the less creamy option and the more creamy option. Again, we're going to pour out. We're going to again, we're going to put our chia seeds. Now, you might wonder why I put the chia seeds in with the liquid, because the chia seeds are absorbent, so you want to make sure that you utilize the absorbent power of the chia seeds. So that's the reasoning. And again, I'm not doing a specific measurement, I'm just measuring by estimation. We'll never forget the ginger. Nice kick. We're going to have, and we're going to mix that one as soon as we finish the water-based one. We're going to have our Swiss chard. Again, I put the stems in because there's also vitamins in the stems. Sometimes people throw the stems away, but you get quite a kick with the stems as well. Dandelion. Your watercress. Your bosch pears for a little sweetness. Okay, now we're going to blend up the water-based one. You can get a sense of what the finished product looks like. Okay, there we go. Blended together for your cellular health and vitality. I can't wait. It's going to be delicious. I can get a sense of what it looks like all coming together. Fantastic. I'm so excited about this. Some people like their blend to be more chopped up. Some people don't mind choice. I like to have it pretty well blended, so you're going to like the bunch of it, and then we're going to do a twist. Time to have a sample. Fantastic. Are you as excited as I am? I can't wait. Here we go. Look at all that green goodness. Cheers to you. I'm going to have a little taste. I could just feel my cells coming alive drinking this. You've got to try it. Swiss chard, dandelion, watercress, bosch pears, cucumber, ginger, lime, chia seeds, and either distilled water or almond milk. Do it. You won't regret it. Start your day off right and stay well.